Welcome guys back to my channel. Today we're gonna do an amazing challenge together as a whole family. We're gonna play a little game, what's in the box. These four contestants right here, there's two. Yeah, these two, and these two against each other, so 2v2. So they're gonna guess, they're gonna take turns in taking a guess on what's in the box, and the first person to guess what's in the box wins a point. At the end of the whoever has the most points at the end of the round wins. So let's
we have a surprise for
to it.
For real?
No, we got a consequence at the end for somebody.
For the loser.
For the loser.
Yeah, we're two.
So
who do you guys think is gonna win?
First item.
Say the item.
No, we're not saying.
You can't say the item.
Who's gonna win?
The youngins or the team?
We need a team. We need a team name.
The Bustin'?
Grandpa Shark.
Yeah, you know the Bustin'.
The Bussin'.
The Bustin'.
Those are the two teams. I hope you guys enjoy.
You're gonna get copyrighted because of them.
So the first item.
Yo, put your hands in. Just be very gentle with this.
Shut up. Imagine you put Bay in the box.
Alright.
It won't fit in there.
Ready?
Ready?
Go. Alright, be careful. Be careful. Go.
Jeremy, move.
Jeremy,
go in the back and hold the box.
Come on, we have to win. Come on, you have to win. How does it feel? Matisha, how does it feel? Does it feel hairy?
Hey, you
Stop.
guys gonna have 5
Matisha.
seconds to feel and then...
Isn't it orange? Isn't it orange?
It's an orange. She guessed it first.
My dear Adriana gets the point first. You got your whiteboard?
Can I take it off?
I did.
First point goes to Adriana. Team Bussin'.
Matisha, you can't do.
Ratatat. Okay.
Matisha, my stomach hurts and not get my tongue.
Hello?
Hold the box.
Okay, the box is fine. No, she.
Oh, be careful. There's stuff inside. For real? Wait, it's about...
Bro, do not do that to me.
Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Ready, catch it.
Alright, be careful.
Yeah, now you want to be...
Oi!
Pudding? No.
Jelly.
Yogurt, she got it. They have
Oh, another point for Team Bussin'. For Team Bussin', we got one more point.
Oh, she was eating it.
Here, Jeremy, put it on Morticia.
Ratatata.
Set. Wait. Stop.
No, ow, my toe, you asshole. Okay, ready? Now? It's almost there.
Wait.
I'm sorry.
No. Ready?
Set.
Give it to me, Jasperie.
That's it?
No, wait.
Okay, so Yasmin,
Please do not move the box because this is really gentle right now.
is it glass?
Okay, ready?
Set.
If Yasmin touched it, then it's okay for me, right?
Ready?
Because Yasmin
No,
be there.
Set,
go.
Do not move the box.
Morticia. I saw. Oh my god!
Wait, who got it?
Me.
Morticia, let's
see. I can't.
Oh my god. Oh my
Stop!
Okay, so the next one, we only have...
Oh shit, oh yeah. Jeremy, can you help me? I hit myself a little bit on the TV.
What happened?
Hannah, you can see.
Yeah. Stop. Why are you doing that? I'm nervous.
That's it, you can't see them.
Matisha, why are you laughing? I'm nervous now.
Oh my god, I can't breathe.
Oh, you broke.
Next item.
Wait, where's the box? I can't see.
Alright.
Go.
Right, go.
Say.
Bam!
She's still trying to feel it.
Oh, that's big.
Well, you should have put the...
What is it?
Next item.
box. have to get the item. Hold up. So don't take it off.
Yes.
Come, go.
You guys are
Hey, Daddy!
They didn't even put it up. Damn, what are you doing? Ow, this is like the third time I have. That's what you get.
Do not move.
Stop.
Okay, ready? Jeremy's gonna bring
You weren't too kind and you won't back. Is it nerve-wracking?
Nah, it's really not.
Nah. Please don't say that.
Don't move.
It has to be nerve-wracking. Literally feel yourself, okay?
Do not cheat, okay?
Stop!
Gotta be careful.
Alright,
Guys, I'm gonna cry.
go.
I'm gonna cry.
Go, hurry.
Stop. It's a savannah.
No,
No.
It's a shirt.
something on the side. Continue going.
Be ready.
Guys, I almost forgot my black
Be
Hurry up.
gentle.
No, I can't do it.
Yeah, be gentle.
Hurry.
No, I can't.
Yes, go. You
It's
have
a
to-
teddy bear.
You have to win for the team. Okay, it's kind of.
Don't take out the sour now.
I can't do it. Buzzing.
Go, put your
I
hand in.
can't do it.
Hurry.
Yes, put your hand in. Hurry.
I
Hurry.
can't. You
Hurry.
really ain't no.
Please
Hurry.
Please.
Please, Matisha, put your hand in. That's not doing nothing.
It's not gonna be a
Put
nursing.
your hand, no, put your hand
It's a
in.
sabotage. It's not gonna be a nursing
Put
movie.
your hand in. Put your hand in. Put your hand in. Put it all the way.
Yes, you see it's
Oh,
not real.
Damn, bro.
hurry, please.
No.
Hurry, please.
It's a teddy bear.
Go,
It's
please. More in, more
It's a
in.
bug.
It's something like a teddy bear.
It's a bug.
Something like a
Matisha,
teddy bear.
It's a bug.
More in, more in. Give me your hand, give me your hand.
It is
Yeah.
close.
I can't do it.
No.
Don't take it out. Don't take it
No,
out.
hurry up, put it in. Right there.
Brianna,
Hurry.
Brianna.
Abriana, don't take it off. It's a hamster.
Okay, we'll take it
Ariana,
off
go.
yet until she guesses.
Is it a baby bear?
Basically.
Go.
It's a dog. Basically, it's a cat. It's Cruz. Cruz.
You don't know? You don't want to guess?
It's Cruz.
Hurry, touch it.
Cruz!
Touch it. Cruz owns a bike.
Has to be seen.
I can't
Go.
do it. Bro! Okay, I take it off. No! I heard.
Shut
Hey.
up! On the counter.
Wait.
Don't take it
Get
out,
behind the
Ariana.
chair. Get behind the chair. Ariana, get behind the chair.
No.
Get behind the chair. And take off your blindfold, both of y'all. I'll let your number to come to the front.
Okay, ready?
Alright, ready?
Don't take
Wait,
it
wait.
out.
Let her
Wait.
take it off. Let her
This
take
is
it off.
gonna be really hot.
Alright. Ariana, leave, man.
We're not taking it off.
Yes,
Getting
you have to
ready.
take it off already, baby girl.
Why are you looking at me like that? Are you ready?
Wait.
Can you turn the AC?
Alright, ready?
Wait.
Bro, just second.
Jerm,
No,
Jerm.
don't be looking.
What are you waiting for?
Go in
You
the
have
middle,
it
go in the
on
middle.
video.
What, you want
Alright,
to go
ready.
inside of her?
Ready? I want y'all to come at the same time from both sides. Ready, set, go.
Go.
What are you doing? Come back to the camera.
Why does it go to Come! Whose dog is this?
Come over here.
Come
Come.
here.
Give me it.
Come up. Come over here.
Whose dog is this?
Come over here.
Let me keep it.
Oh my god.
You can't. Mommy, you look. Why am I crying?
That's the consequence.
I'm waiting for you guys to call us upstairs.
Is that they was taking forever.
I'm telling you.
That's our new pet.
What are you saying?
It's a she. It's a she.
Okay,
No.
we should like
We're on the floor.
we should let me see.
I don't know what I was trying to do.
This is my daughter. Wait, let's see how they act.
We care about
Wait,
her.
I think she's scared. I think she's scared.
Yes, she's shaking.
I'm on the floor. Everybody sit in the
Mom, you let this happen?
There's a lot of people.
What are you saying? Are you lying? No, you guys are lying.
Hey, come
Let's
on.
see who she loves. Let me
But
see.
Mama with me.
Oh my god, she loves me. Oh my god.
It was just a prank. It's hers.
Wait,
Hello.
Wait, we should actually
this?
like play a game where we find a name.
Give me a second. I'm gonna call you back. I'm doing something.
Like a video.
Wait, what about
I'm doing something. I'm recording a video. Hold up.
Bea, bring her. Bea.
Bye.
Oh
my god, she's so small. Oh my god, I haven't touched her. Oh my god.
When Jeremy brought her up,
Ew, she's leaning on my
look at me, Dike. Where is it? She was so tiny. Look at me. Leia, what do you have to say to her?
Bea doesn't even see her. She doesn't even think like that's a dog.
She better not.
No, Bea doesn't care about girls.
No, I
Oh my
think.
god, they love each other. Let me
They should grow up together.
They have the best friend. Oh my god.
Bea might be lesbian. She's nervous.
Yeah, she's nervous.
Ella que sentándose on her foot. Oh my god, she's so she could be really nervous.
Can y'all believe we have a new pet?
No, I can't believe
I didn't. Why is she so small?
It was a baby. I've never.
Mommy went 3 hours away together.
That's what I forgot.
She went 3 hours away
Her
together.
towel. I bought what? I
Your
didn't
mom
buy
said
her.
you're. I don't care about you.
Why are you dragging me? This is not baby.
We did a video.
Look at Brianna. Look at Brianna. Drag it down.
It's not my friend. Look, it's busting. She's so bad. Why is because that's my friend.
Wait, time out. We have to find a game to like find a dog.
Pick
like,
out the name.
Yeah.
She's scared.
Bea, please don't attack her, please.
Nah, Bea doesn't attack girls.
No, I was afraid that Bea eats her, bro. Bea is a hungry ass motherfucker, bro.
You know, Matisha saw her holding a dead squirrel.
Nah, I think we should like take her home for a little, yeah?
Nah.
Oh my god.
Wait, he has no tail?
I
Oh.
think she just wants to be my No.
We got a new dog. We got a new dog. And it's gonna be home trained. We're not walking her.
I know.
I mean, you can walk her here. She needs
No, never.
Take her to the park. Oh my gosh.
But she's gonna have no air at all.
No, she's not gonna get the corona. Bea, how you feel, Bea?
How are you not
How you feel?
crying? Like
How you feel? You don't like this? You gonna be jealous? Why are you gonna be jealous though?
But shut up.
I'm sorry. Alright, I'll let you cry by yourself.
You want to see her tomorrow? I can bring her and I can bring everybody.
She's not having it.
Okay. You could bring all our dogs.
Let's see.
Oh no,
Cruz will. Yeah.
Hello, little fella.
Oh my god, latte.
I think her name is Wendy. Oh,
That's
Wait.
No, we're not having Wendy.
That's adorable.
No,
Give
no,
me
no.
his
Oh,
blessing.
let's blame her Felipe.
Can you stop?
No.
Papi.
He was 6 hours with her. 3 hours I mean.
Cynthia.
Alright.
Oh, you guys
Okay, so we're gonna spend time with the dog for a bit, and then I'll record the outro a little later. Venga a mi casa, veas. Venga la mala media. Está comenzando a vivir ahora. Vaya aquí mirándola como que me sienta loquita. Mira cómo está bella, mirándola. Mira hasta la espalda que dio bella ahora, mira. Se para para atrás porque es pendeja.
¿Qué, güey?
Es pendeja, mira. Ella da un paso para adelante y 3 para atrás.
Ah, Jesús.
Dile, bella. Ya tú saliste loco.
Bella está cansada, ella ya no da, Bella está como yo, que dice, coge.
Mira, ballena morenita no salió. ¿Y esta morenita? Dile, bella. ¿Y dónde tú saliste negrita? Dime.
Bella she wants to play, but Bella is to not wanting that.
Nah, Bea, I think as Bea gets comfortable, she will play.
Yeah, because she never played
No,
with
I
any
know.
dog, so it's like, what
Ella
is
se cansa, ¿verdad? Pero ya se
wait
fue.
for? So when she
You
knows,
can do like
she's gonna
eat
be
her
like,
or like.
gets food, can I pee on her?
Can I pee on her?
Se lo comieron, ella no lo comió nosotros.
Claro, porque los niños saben la entera.
Okay.
La entera la comieron.
I'm the poor mom, bro.
Alright.
Martín, ¿tú también me bañas?
Yeah.
You gotta be her
Why you
mom.
don't touch Lola?
Porque I live here and I'm living here, but then they're gonna leave.
Oh, okay.
Leticia, your big ass toes isn't fitting like that.
Y después llamamos a Lola mismo.
Lola.
Wait,
Lolita. No es Lolita, mi papá.
Entonces, cuñado, déjame buscar un platico.
No, yo voy a poner. No.
Lola Twilight.
No.
Lola,
Yo te voy a enviar.
Lola think that Lola honey.
Lola honey.
Because she wanted honey.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed that video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I am recording this video a very long time from when I recorded the last video that you guys just finished watching. As you can tell, I look a lot skinnier. That video I recorded was a few months ago, so my dog now is a lot bigger. Well, she didn't grow in size, but she grew in, like, you know, because she is a toy poodle, she's gonna stay a miniature, like the teacup toy poodle. She's staying that size. I will show you a video right now. Boop. What happened? But yeah, if you guys, like I said, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, share, whatever you think is best. But yeah, thank you for the support, and we'll check you guys out later. What are you looking for? What are you looking for?